Hi, my dear friends. Hope you are all doing well. The main purpose of creating this particular video today is to make you all get an awareness as to how important it is to keep the healthy state of your second largest organ of the body, liver. Nowadays, we are getting so many disturbance news. Now, as it is, I have got a friend who is in Delhi admitted and waiting for a liver transplantation, and another friend in Hyderabad having a liver cirrhosis. And you know the important function of a liver, that actually it helps in digestive system of the body, and it creates the proper energy levels, it creates the proper fat level, it reduces the fat, and it takes out the poisonous and ammonia from the blood and purifies our body. There are numerous functions that this liver will be doing. So of late, so many people are getting infected with this liver disease. So I wanted to just give an introduction as to why these problems are coming. Is it due to only alcoholic consumption or any other reasons are there? See, the liver is situated on the right side of the abdominal cavity here. It is in the conical form. It almost weighs around 1.5 kg. Very heavy, because the functions are also very heavy. See, previously we used to think that the liver will be getting damaged because of the food that we take, or because of the excessive intake of alcohol or a drug abuse, like that. Nowadays, there are so many other factors which are creating a lot of damage to the most vital organ of the body. One is depositing of a fat depositing, it goes on, the liver becomes a fatty liver. In some cases, the fatty liver gets into the form of liver cirrhosis, and there the end of the liver comes. Very rare, but fatty liver is common. But fatty liver going into the stage of liver cirrhosis is a bit uncommon. So there is one disease called NASH, non-alcoholic liver hepatitis. So it is caused because of so many reasons. One is due to our hereditary or genetical factors, and the most dangerous part of this NASH disease is that the patient will never come to know that something is going to happening in his body unless it is that total 80% of the liver is damaged. Then only he will come to know about the symptoms of this liver disease. So my dear friends, very easy. So every year we have got a medical checkup. We are undergoing ultrasound scanning, and we are taking the liver function test like bilirubin and our others, alkaline phosphatase and all those things. And with a very minimum amount of around 1,000 rupees, if you go for a whole body scanning and all, ultrasound scanning, in the initial stages itself, this type of problems can be rectified then and there, and protective actions can be taken. But the moment you are taking a liberty, kuch nahi hoega, then the end result will be very difficult. Once the liver turns into a cirrhosis, mostly because of liquor and heavy non-vegetarian food and the obesity, particularly the blood pressure and the type 2 diabetes, these are all the factors which usually culminate in damage to the precious organ, that is liver. There is a beauty of the liver is regenerative in nature. That means the liver is like this. Even if half is gone, if luck favors, the other half will function. Actually, for a person to live, 25 to 30% of the liver is enough. So the body will be functioning till that stage, and at the end of that 75% only, it will stop functioning. But other beauty is that in some cases, the regenerative nature of the liver helps the body to come back into the normalcy with the aid of certain medications and drugs. So my dear friends, there is no medication for the liver to come back to the normal stage when the liver reaches to the stage of decompensating stage. That means The existing liver, the 10% or 15% or 20%, whatever is there with you, is unable to compensate for the functioning of the human body. If the situation reaches that stage, no medicine, nothing can help. There is only one remedy. We have to go for liver transplantation, and that is the only thing. Liver transplantation, as you are aware, my dear friend, it is a most complicated thing. It can be done only at the very few centers in India, like Chennai, Mumbai, and New Delhi and Bengaluru, and it requires a very big team of doctors like hepatologist, liver transplant surgeon, and you need a cardiologist, you need a pulmonologist, you require a nephrologist, you require a very good anesthetist. Around 30 members of the medical team will be around the modular operation table to conduct a surgery. It will take around 30 to 14 hours. See, so how this liver transplantation is getting done? The most fundamental part, what I have told you, please, my dear friends, please see that you undergo medical examination, physical examination once in a year without a pain. If any problem is there, then and there with the medication it will get cured. In the unfortunate event that anything happens and it requires a liver transplantation, there are two things that the liver transplantation will be doing. They will be doing, one is the living donor liver transplantation. The second thing is cadaver liver transplantation. The living donor liver transplantation can be taken, the liver, a part of the liver will be taken from the close blood relations like our children, our wife, our sisters, brothers or anything, and they will be putting that part in the liver and carefully they suture it. So the operation will be taking around 12 to 13 hours for both the donor and the receiver. And the donor, usually now they are doing robotic surgery for a donor, and the chances of recovery is very, very bright, and absolutely there is no fatality for a donor. For the receiver, he has to be very careful for 2 to 3 months for complete recovery, then he can go for a normal routine. The failure of a liver transplantation usually happens 90%, 95%, 70%, they give some statistics. Usually the actual liver transplantation, if you are going at a correct time, that means the doctors say, yeah, it is a time for you, SITs has started now. If you prolong further, even if you do the liver transplantation, it is not going to give a better result. So the moment doctor says you go for a transplant, then and there they should go for a liver transplant. Then only the operation will be success. Most of the failure cases are those cases where the patient is going to the doctor at the end of the final moment and requesting the doctor to go for a transplantation. So even if they do the transplantation, the liver cannot regenerate. Subsequently, there will be a fatality. As I have told you, there are very few hospitals in the country. The first one I rate in the country is Dr. Mohammad Rela in Chennai. He is considered to be the topmost liver transplant surgeon in the world. He has done a lot of his liver transplant department in King's Hospital in London has been started by him. Actually, he has done PhD in liver transplantation. A great person, and he is an expert, and he has got a success rate of 99%. And there you have got in Medanta, you have got in Narayana. So these are all the people where to select, and then for if it is a cadaver transplantation, you need to register yourself. State by state the list will be changing. Suppose urgently if you want to go for a cadaver transplantation, the doctors, I had been to Narayana Health City the other day to discuss regarding the health condition of one of my friends, and I had a very long discussion of about more than 1.5 hours, and the doctor, liver transplantation doctor, surgeon, he told me that if you want to have a better this one, you better register yourself in 3-4 states. So I decided to register that person's name in Bengaluru also. So the moment the call will come, they will tell, they will request us immediately within 10 to 15 hours the operation will be done. So this is the thing, the liver transplantation is extremely costly. It will cost more than 30 lakhs, my dear friends. So looking at all the things, my only advice to you, please, human body is very, very complicated. The organs are extremely costly. Let us safeguard our organs. Let us keep our health as the first priority. Then only comes everything. God bless you. Happy living.